It cuts and presses steel into the shape of the chain's inner links, which look a lot like a figure of 8. Incredibly, it generates 10,000 links per hour. Each of these figure-8 links has to be made to interconnect, and their contours allow them to travel easily across the bike's gear sprockets. Samples of the links are sent to a measuring station to confirm the space between the holes is precisely 12.7 millimeters. The tester also gauges the diameter of the holes, which must be accurate to within a fraction of a millimeter. Then the links bake in an oven at 850 degrees Celsius. The blazing heat, followed by a quick cool down, hardens the steel. The inner links are then put into a donut-shaped machine. Ceramic and silica powders are added, along with water. The lid of the machine is then screwed on. It shakes vigorously, causing the powders and water to form an abrasive paste that polishes the links. The polished inner links are then loaded into a metal basket. Machinery plunges the basket into a series of chemical baths to give these inner links a nickel Teflon veneer. The nickel Teflon surface will resist corrosion, and its smooth texture will allow the chain to travel easily over the gear sprockets. The bike chain's outer links get a different kind of finish. Unlike the inner links, they don't travel over sprockets, so a nickel plating will do. The chain is now ready to be assembled, one section at a time. Tubes feed the parts one by one into this assembly machine. Gripper arms adjust their position to assemble the links to other chain components, such as retainer rings and spacers. The machinery presses pins into the links holes to secure the assembly. Then grippers move the completed section of chain down the line. It takes a whole lot of little pieces to build one short section of bicycle chain. The sections are linked together, which now winds past an inspection station to be examined for flaws. After that, the chain takes a dip in hot oil, which lubricates the links to prevent squeaking and wear on the road. The chain leaves the lubricating station and travels by wads of absorbent material which soak up the excess grease. A laser tool then signals the location where the chain is to be cut, and a blade chops it at the exact spot. A standard bike chain is just over 144 centimeters in length. It consists of 114 inner and outer links, to make sure it's got what it takes to go the distance, and that there are no weak links.